Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from ADCB Mobile app. So first, open the ADCB Mobile app on your smartphone and log in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the transfer option and tap on it. Next, you will see the different accounts that you have added. Select the account to which you want to transfer money. If you haven't added the beneficiary yet, you can also do by tapping on Add Beneficiary and entering the required details. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and any additional details, such as the purpose of the transfer review, the information to ensure everything is correct. Once you have confirmed the details, tap on Confirm button. But to proceed with the transfer, you will receive a one-time password (OTP) on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP in the provided field to complete the transaction, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.